Eva Trades.
Hey, welcome to the Real Money series. It's day 2, and first we're going to take a look at the rule book, and then I'll break down the charts, and we'll get some real trading under our belts here. So let's go. That was a beautiful waterfall behind me. So day trading is risky, and practice in a simulator before you start trading real money. Welcome to Eva Trades. Glad to have you here. Let me see here. Get the old glasses back on. So I've got BBAI. Got some lines here. Let's clear these out first. So this is real time. This is not the simulator. Okay, so these are the leading gappers this morning. So far, BBAI, higher lows and higher highs on the 5-minute time frame. Due for consolidation, but you know, we could still see it just continue to climb. Choppy on the 1, so I'd be careful there, but just, you know, consolidating sideways. So bulls looking to hold, I suppose, 335, but if we give that up, our next support would be down here at 268. Bulls want to break 376 to keep this trend going, to get that higher high. And we do have psychological support down at $3. Down here at the VWAP. The VWAP is that white dotted line. That's the volume weighted average price. So looking pretty strong. That is the stock to watch this morning, I think. Next I have LCID. And LCID is consolidating on the 5-minute now. We didn't put in a good support on the way up, so as far as where we might pull back to, that's anybody's guess. I don't know where other traders might be looking. If we're looking at the 1-minute, you could say that 835 is a good support level. We also have 830 and down here at 820, but you know, and you'd still be above the VWAP down in this area. Right now, bulls would like to bounce off this EMA. It looks like bears trying to push the price down further. At this point, I wouldn't expect to move straight up through the highs. I would be expecting a tightening range if we bounce from here. But like I said, I'm not sure exactly where to expect to bounce from, since we didn't really get a good higher low on the way up. So BBAI breaking that consolidation bullish, getting that higher low and higher high. YTEN, not my favorite stock, but for lack of other options, that's what I'm looking at. Let's see what this does here. Oh, let's just draw a bunch of lines. Yep, so you have a descending line there. Lower highs and lower lows on the 5-minute time frame. That tells you to look at a larger time frame. It tells me to look at a larger time frame. We are consolidating on the hourly. 2-bar pullback right now. I'd be looking down, way down, get the right line, right drawing tool. We have a support down there and a support down there. Of course, I'd be looking for only a bounce at that point if we get down to those areas. Lower highs and lower lows on the 15-minute time frame. So the first thing we want to do is probably go to the 1-minute or the 2-minute time frame and look for a trend change back to the bulls to confirm that our temporary bottom is in on the 15-minute. Of course, I don't really trade the 2-minute time frame. I could look at the 1 or the 5. Right now, bulls want to hold 305, pulling back pretty good here, but bulls would like to get a higher low and a higher high. So we'll see bear volume is dominating on this one, on this consolidation. Nice bull volume on LCID. So we have less than a minute till the market opens. And I'm not sure at this point where I might place a trade. BBAI needs to consolidate, in my opinion. LCID has consolidated, and we're looking for that spot where it's going to turn around. And YTEN consolidating on the larger time frame. So we shall see. Of course, I can't trade in that first 1 minute, but the market is now open. And I have to apologize. If you are watching and you happen to try to chat with me, I don't have the chat open, so I wouldn't be able to see it. I'm not really ready to start chatting yet. Still trying to get all my proverbial ducks in a row here. Look at the candle ranges, make sure I have my parameters set up right. 16 cents on LCID, that looks good. 18 on YTEN. So consolidating on all three bears starting out the day here. Looks like the overall market is gapping up. LCID with a nice bounce. I'll go ahead and buy a dip on that. I'm in it twice. Looking to hold the EMAs and move higher up towards 850. I would have preferred to see it go already. So I'm trying to buy over here on BBAI. My order isn't getting filled. There it got filled, but way higher than where I wanted to get in. Well, I'm going to add to it on the way up here. We'll see what happens. It's a nice move. See if we can hold up and keep going. I'll buy the dip on it there. If that comes around and stops me out, I'm done for the day. That's what's going to happen right here. Oh man, that's rough. So hitting my max loss, wow, this has been rough. I tell you, the last two simulator videos, I've hit my max loss, and now here in the reel, I've hit my max loss. So I should have taken the profits there right away. I was looking for a big move and didn't get it. There are days when I would have gotten it, but today wasn't to be. So unfortunately, I'm going to have a red day. But I never did take a look at the rules. So here are my rules. The daily max loss is not. This is actually $1 million challenge. Yeah, because I'm not trading full share size. My daily max loss is $40. In the simulator, I'm trading larger share size. Let's see here. Okay, so my daily max loss is $40. I can't take more than 4 positions to start the day because that would put me down more than 400. If I hit my daily goal of $20, I can choose to keep trading if the market looks strong. If I hit my daily goal and then give back half, I have to stop. And the new rule that I made from this last video that I did is I can't take more positions than my max loss allows. So you know, if I'm already down on the day, like say $200, and then I jump in a trade 3 times, well, that's more than my max loss if I get stopped out. So I have to keep that in mind as I'm trading. And that's where I got in trouble on the last video, is I was already down a couple $100, and then next thing I know, I'm in 6 positions and I lost $800. And that's how you bankrupt an account real fast. So I have to honor my rules and stop right there. I can't trade anymore. I'm down over 40. And it's not unusual to be down, you know, more than my max loss. That's going to happen with slippage. It's not going to be exact. But the point is to follow the rules. This is a day where things aren't working for me. I hope things work better for you today than they have for me here. And it's possible we see the market turn around. But unfortunately for me, I have to be done. So thank you, friends, for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, like it. If not, hit that dislike button a couple of times, twice. That's the best way to go. Take my word. We'll see y'all later. Tomorrow morning, I'll be back here live. Take care.